Hey everyone, I just want to do a little quick overview of our template for our PDF here. And overall, this is not a very complicated title block template, but we actually have provided two different templates. And so the first one being our cover page, and the cover page takes some of that information, so the person's name or the project name or the course name, and also the assignment name or whatever you're doing, and makes it a little bit more bold. And then when you go to the second page, this information kind of gets pushed to the bottom and becomes a little bit, I guess, less in your face and a little bit more in the background of this title block. And so, just going to walk you through the Revit files. So we give you this template file for the main page, and then we give you this template file for the cover page. And you can just jump over to a project here and see how this looks. So we haven't filled, obviously, this out in this project, but you can see how the sheet name changes on each sheet. We do have a timestamp here that you could turn off with visibility parameters if you don't want to see that timestamp. And then the cover page here, you can see what that looks like as well. If you like this and you actually want to get this full Revit project sample file, we also do have that available for sale on Gumroad. So thanks for watching, and happy modeling, and check out our title block files on Gumroad.